Hey guys, it's Dawn Beltrami from Roswell Properties, and it is freaking Friday. This week's Showcase Home of the Week is a beauty. You need to come and check it out this weekend, Memorial Day weekend, by the way. And it is located at 1409 West 26th Street. It is a 3-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,524 square feet. It was built in 2002. It's a David Weekley home, and Amanda Wilder from Gary Green is having her open house this Saturday from 1 to 3, and they are asking only $375,000. Let's check out this house. So we walk into the house through the front door. You have the large open concept living room with wood floors throughout, downstairs, and then you have brand new carpeting going upstairs to the second and third floor. So you have the wonderful gray colors on the wall, white cabinets, electric cooktop, open to the living room area, and then you have the half bathroom downstairs as well. You come up to the second floor. You have the same gray color on the walls here. You have the large laundry room, laminate wood floors, and then you have this really large game room, high ceilings with a balcony off from the game room, carpeting in here, and then you have this huge storage closet here off the game room as well. You come up off the stairs to the right is the master bedroom. The new carpeting continues into here. You have the really nice gray color still on the walls up here as well. It's light and bright. You come into the master bathroom, tile floors, shower bath combo, double his and her sinks, and then you have a massive closet as well. This is just a huge closet. Then you come up to the third floor. The new carpeting is up here as well. Same color walls all throughout. You have a nice size, bright secondary bedroom with another full walk-in closet. And then you continue down the hall to the second bathroom, shower tub combo, single sink, tile floors, and then you come into the third bedroom, light and bright facing the front. You have the same carpeting here, same wall colors throughout, and then you have another huge closet. The closets in this home are absolutely fantastic. So what'd you guys think about this house? Come check it out this Saturday during Amanda's open house from 1 to 3. And if you would like to see this house or any additional homes, don't hesitate to contact me. My information's at the end of this video. Don't forget to check out the interactive link below that'll show you all the open houses going on in the Heights and the surrounding area this weekend. And I look forward to seeing you next week at the next Showcase Home of the Week.